Grace and peace. Bazalwane bami abahle ngibathandayo ngenhliziyo nangesibhono. I really hope this finds you well and in good spirits. Kule langa la Wednesday. Kusasa ilanga labomama abangathandaza bayothandaza. Sithandazela uKmo last time. She is back again with the bang. Hey, last time wayekhala ngimtshela namhlanje ngicela kuyawukhupela tswetswe. Usikabe walla. Otherwise ndiyayivala iTV, senze iTV ngoku. And yazi ke, this is where we influence ilife ngendlela positive, and this is where imiphefumulo ibuseka ndisinda khona. Abantwana bethu mabathi short left abokamba abatshela ukuthi hey bokushanga enkawuza bakushiya unjalo labafana. Kmo,
Hi.
what's up my sister? You good?
We're good. How are
No
you?
complaint, no request today.
Good. We're
Blessed by the best.
Yes.
By the grace of God. No ngiyabonga man. How have you been since the last time? No dutikamo, gidutikamola.
Even like I was sitting there.
Serious. Amazing.
Hey.
Yeah. She's one of the first people that we interviewed, by the way. So she's, I'm sure, top 3 on earrings and bearings. One of the first interviews that we have done, Lagu R&B. Mabasata, I can't khona namhlanje we are bearing testimonies. She's here. Ukusitshela ukuthi where is she now and what exactly is she up to? So what have you been up to?
I've just been up to life, trying to rebrand myself and trying to move with purpose and intention.
Nice
so I've
one.
been good.
Give us the new projects, Nyana, because we want to be influenced here so that young people may learn in Desiride. We don't want to be them to be copycats, but copying Desiride. Made us positive, made us khulume.
Okay, obviously for my finances, I'm back in tenders, doing tenders again. But for the socials, I've started a program here, Dear Sister, where I'm trying to show these youngsters how to move and so that they don't find themselves doing the things that I did.
Currently, you are trending.
Yeah.
Why are you trending, Kmo? Because manje currently in the country, I know ukuthi kuno 22 and something. What's going on? Mina ngisumuntu fixated kule zinto, but I came across your videos so many times.
That was actually a crash out, hey?
Yeah.
That was me crashing out on social media because I was like, sometimes when you plan certain things, I want to achieve this, and then you don't achieve it. So it was triggered by me moving out of my apartment. And I remember when I moved into that apartment, I said, when I move from this apartment, I'm moving into my house.
Yeah.
And it didn't happen. And now I had to kind of reflect and say, why am I not moving into my house?
Yeah.
Because there was a plan.
Yeah.
And I sat down and I introspected and I said, I've not been responsible with my finances.
Yeah.
And it goes back to my 20s to say, if I moved different in my 20s, if I moved responsibly, I would not be 37 and crying for a house. And now I sat and I'm like, 20 applications were all rejected. 20 applications were rejected. Agents don't want to see me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, but what went wrong? Maybe let's just talk about Gangani, because we need to touch on the past.
Yeah.
Before Skulma and current in the future.
Yeah. So my 20s were good and bad. The good part of my 20s is that I made money.
Yeah.
But the choices were bad. And I'm dealing with the repercussions of my 20s. When we do things in our 20s, you're just thinking that, life is too short. That is going to kill you. Because if you're going to live in the moment, what's going to happen when God decides to keep you for 10, 20 to 30 years? That's what I'm dealing with. First thing, I messed up my credit records because I'm going to go back into gambling. Yeah. Remember, I made money and then I exhausted my funds. Yeah. And now there was a gambling addiction, right? In the midst of gambling addiction, now you are just living. I was opening, let's start with store accounts. Yeah. I would take furniture, like accounts, open accounts, take furnitures and sell for people and not repay. Take loans. I think I had more than 10 short loans.
Hectic.
Not paid.
Yeah.
The school fees tabana, not paid. I was not paying. So it was a lot of stuff. So you have defaults, you have judgments, I'm rotten listed.
Sure.
So now in your 30s, you're trying to be a mother, you're trying to be a woman, you're trying to be responsible.
Yeah.
What happens? It all comes back to catch up with you in your 30s. Even if you're making money, I said in one of the videos that me paying 16,000 rands is not a flex. I would have loved to qualify for bond and be paying for a bond for my own house.
Yeah.
My lifestyle is expensive even when I don't want it to be expensive because of the mistakes that I did in my 20s.
So, but what are those things, key elements that you can still single out and say, until this very day, I won't forget what I've done. This is what I did wrong. So that if there's someone who's still attempting and who still want to yield into that temptation,
The first one would be how I spend my money
yeah,
on substance abuse and alcohol abuse. And also trying to... I spend so much money besides the gambling. Okay, we're not going to talk about the gambling, but we're talking now the lifestyle.
yeah.
I spend money in the streets. I wasted money in the streets. I wasted money on people. I wasted money on men.
Eish.
I wasted money on...
Ayikhona wenzani ureka lerete mona uspenda njani kundawo kubopotshasa.
You know, so it's a lot of things, man, my brother. Born. Imagine as an independent young girl subjecting yourself to dating someone in prison, or because you support financially, and dating a married man whose finances hit rock bottom, and you somehow technically supporting him and his family. So those are the things that I did in my 20s. I invested.
Let's stretch that. That's
Yeah.
one, yeah, of supporting a man who is married, chief. Because that ngithatha as umuntu con man. Honestly, they know ukuthi I can afford. It's like ufuna into ongazi kahle ukuthi le ngize ngikhona.
Yeah.
You are living beyond your means.
Yeah, yeah.
Isupportwa kanjani indoda echatile into zayo zingahlangani?
My wife is not a good person. My wife is stressing me now because I'm not making money. Baby, please give me 10,000. Please borrow me 20. Please borrow me 50. I'm trying to open this business so I can stand on my own. Please borrow me 60. I'll pay you back, but they never pay back.
Yo.
So in that, you know, you with him and he's like, the wife is calling, come with bread, but you know that he doesn't have money. So what is he going to say? Please help me buy bread.
Yeah.
And then it's not just bread. From the request, yeah, bread is whole groceries.
Yo. So ntwe o tshwarang ke eng na mola kore why no straight.
It was not even, you know, I even said, it's not even the taba ya hore o fale monate or, because sometimes now I look back, I'm like, oh, jeez, what do you mean I stayed for that? You know, it's for me, we're going back to childhood.
Yeah.
When you don't feel validated, when you're not confident, when you are not raised to feel that you are validated, you're going to seek validation from the wrong people. I've sought validation from men.
Yes.
I wanted someone to say I love you. That is why even I love you from a holding cell meant something to me.
Did you perhaps suffer from mhlambe low self-esteem?
Yeah, I have, absolutely.
So yiyo le yenza ukuthi ufuna validation.
Yeah.
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 So how many women out of 10 mhlambe ucabanga ukuthi they are struggling from the same thing, because we see things are going south
From
and
a
they're
10,
acting strong.
would say 6.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mari ngcono bekumele makuyi 10 out of 10 enzothi dangerous mara makusesene 4 nyana at least woke nyana.
Yeah, there's still
Yeah.
6 that is woke. I mean, look, if we have to say physical appearance, I think 9 out of 10 of women, that is why we all rush into Turkey. We're struggling with certain things. It just depends on how you deal with it. But with someone like me who has depression blood,
Eish.
it's crazy because it goes extreme.
Yeah. So mutu because ubatla or at least le naman give belong to the society, to that club.
Yes.
So ma auti ba ya coding again ba lo rwala ba etseng eng ba sadi le bona ba tshwere depression ya bona. Tsantse ba etsa something or ba be valid.
Because there's nothing as painful as feeling like you're not enough.
Yeah. Oh. So let's talk about women. Abagcwele la uphethe indle emhlophe enkulu, but uyaziwa kuthiwa lo sisi udlala ngekhekhe lo. Abafana bayi left and right kuye. So we escort mare nemali. She pays the boys they do her.
I don't know. You know the thing is, girls now, even our young girls, they are all for money. That is why they don't even hide it. One nigga pay as you go. You give me, I give you. You do me, I do you.
Young people, uthole kuloko kucelwa mlibe and then nails.
And no, they say it. If you're saying
Yeah.
come to Kamo, come to my house,
Yeah.
what's in it for me? What am I gonna get?
Sophisticated bukhosh.
Yeah. No, Joburg 90%, yeah, definitely.
Yes.
Beautified.
he munhu u tshore lava ka ri ba lwana ba kopane ka di-camera tse kaofela ba re ba o botsa masebo tlo ba jwetsa gore vele
I know a lot of them, especially the influencers.
You-
I know a lot of them. I know them through a friend of mine that kind of lives the same. So I know them. It's just that I'm not somebody that lives throwing shade at other women. I just
Yeah,
respect how
it's
you
your business.
do. Yeah.
Yeah.
The only thing that saddens me is the amount of pressure that our young sisters are picking from them, not knowing what happens behind closed doors. That is why
Yes.
my message is don't envy Kamo because you don't know what happens behind closed doors.
What are those things then esingathi ama-repercussions ka language ya yenu ditlamorao
Ditlamorao,
yini into ekhona esithi le you are going to bhatal you direct or indirect I'm not talking about people bare uthwele lo muntu nani but you have taken money perhaps that person was supposed to redirect that money ukuthi hambe yobhatala school fees mara because nali liyabiza i-born free nali liyabiza i-2K and nasi siyabiza i-slay queen but
That is why Baleng unhappy with these Louis Vuittons and whatnot. They're paying the price. Because people, they see themselves making money. Mara ha ba bone ho etsahalang. You would ask them, when you go and check the closet, someone, wardrobe, someone, they are worth thousands and thousands and thousands of rands, but they have nothing valid or solid to show.
they empty
Because all this money is from all these guys. How we won?
So because ukhuluma nge-conviction and you are so passionate about lama subjects and yabona ukhulume ngokuthrow i-shade mina mangikhuluma ngayo ku-motivation banokuthi awuzokhuluma nge-woman to woman hate because very rife
Yeah.
abantu bavile is very real so let's now maybe go into the next section labo mama because manje even with ipolitiki kunabantu enibaziyo ukuthiwa lawyer vele unebhizi yakhe loyo umuntu nekekend because ukuthi indaba ye-couch casting or indaba ye-jobs for sex benziwa amadoda but iyenzakala kubomama manje
Yeah.
what gives birth to that
The love of money and the love of fancy lifestyles. And social media has kind of pushed that because everyone wants to have an Instagram life. You know,
Yeah.
everyone wants a perfect life.
Yeah.
Everyone wants to belong to the I made it culture. Nowadays, for you to say how we are when you're like this, you don't have money. Come, ka Louis Vuitton.
Yeah.
You belong.
The expression
You're
name,
valid.
yeah so asikhulume nabantwana besikolo ke bakhona somewhere esikolweni ekatlehong bakhona basethokoza basefosloras basethembisa eduduza abanye basedaviton umntana esikolo othi le social media is the business do you know that there are young people mina bengicabanga ukuthi ngathi ngikhona ngoba ngimningi nokudlala Sunday nama-shows cishe adlula ku-2 bangibone mina ngo-12 bangibone kuMojalavu ngo-9 but angidumanga ukudlula labantwana so the challenges are the social media because lento it's very addictive nabantwana abancane 19 phethe 2 million abamlandelayo angikhulumi ngama-views ngikhuluma ngabantu abamlandelayo
Bamlandela.
so asike sikhulume ngale demoni manje ukuthi labantwana ngoba bacanga ukuthi life yileyo the challenges are the social media
They need to know that there's life. Social media is just a front. There's life outside social media. There's a life besides being out of social media. Because if they were to have an inner look into Kamo's life, they'd be shocked.
on social you are perfect
Perfect.
but in real life you are a house that's divided you're in
Yeah.
tatters yeah ayi ngena deeper ngizokhuluma labo sister today ngavuka ngoba le ngathi ngithanda ukuba passionate ngayo ihamba nami ngibuye kaMfene ngibuye eDanyane ngibuye eHangeni ngidlila igqemane ngayidla indengane and life yasejele yase prison she was once maybe I would say affected ngayo le life because she felt ukuthi no angisalitholi le uthando ngiyangale let's call it for lack of a better word prison love awusinike uhlangana kanjani nayi accident angazi yayiyimbi terrible or it was a bad accident or ikhona good accident angazi ngesilungu khona into njengaleyo uhlangana kanjani amabhandinti nabo siboshwa nani because siboshwa number 1 ungakhohle ukusitshela ukuthi uthumela amanyuts ayingakhi amen hallelujah
Oh my gosh.
ekuthwerwa
Okay. I'm gonna actually take you guys back.
take your time
I recalled Jorge, this person that I was dating. is not actually the first inmate.
Yeah.
I remember the first time when I spoke to the first inmate in I think, was it through Mixed?
Yeah. Ngiyayikhumbula imisit. Bengibiza Miss Smith, yeah.
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 Ke hopotse after, you know, when I was thinking that, oh, I met this person, he became a friend.
Yeah.
Let me tell you, I had just moved to Joburg. And kana ko ne ke sa jole. You know, I've never dated. Remember I said I've never dated both kolong. So I wanted to date, ne? I met someone go Mixed. And the thing is, they would never tell you the truth when they're in prison until you fall in love and they see that they're in a relationship. And now he says, hey, babe, it's like Modabi. I'm like, okay, Modabi gang, Modabi prison. You're like, huh? And at that time, you're already in. You invested, you in love, you know? And then he said, no, come, something happened. And then I'm like, okay. I went there. I was like, oh my gosh.
Oh, create a story. Something happened.
Yeah, something happened. Yeah,
Yeah.
last week, baby.
Yeah.
You know, I was planning to take you out. I hit this heist, whatever. Now I'm arrested. My love comes in. Ke kena ko Modabi.
Rolling eyes.
Ke kena ko Modabi. Oh, okay, now you're like, they ask you, I get okay, so this is what you're gonna say when they ask you, who are you? What's your relationship? This is my husband. My fiance. Fiance. Okay. And then I go in. How? Ke a whole ntate with the orange. He didn't come orange. He was wearing the pants, but the orange pants, the white. But at the time, I didn't even know much, you know? I'm just like, I'm in love, Chomi. And, you know, I fell in love with his voice even before I could see him.
Oh.
You know, I'm just thinking, oh, my king. Because I've never dated, you know? But I'm like, oh, this is it. Yo, and I'm a bandita chama. I know, but this.
Ubuya ndazochazela indawo le. Ngabe ume ngeenyawo manje ushaya izandla clap once twice.
And I'm a cute wrong. Yo,
Yeah.
men are in prison, guys. Can't take a man gets later.
Hey. Okay, so it's sunlight. Yeah.
No, but smooth.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, but smooth. So I meet this guy, I'm like, but when I met him, I kind of got scared because he's huge and hello, baby. And I'm like, hey. You know? So we talk, and he's like, no, I'm going to marry you, wada. And in my head, I'm like, I was not even thinking, okay, Jwale, you're already talking after 10 years. How old you are, you know? And then when I left, I was like, this is not the life for me. I was scared because I'm like, yo. Because I just thought about it, hey, hi, kids are familiar last strata, you know, from my father's side, I'm going to have to deal with this. I'm like, no, change numbers. And then I never thought I'd do it again. So that was that. And then now 21.
The plot thickens. Yeah.
2016. Oh, no, I'm lying. 20. Can I Google something? I want to check the date. So a friend of mine.
We are doing a fact-finding mission.
A friend, I just want to check Dr. Siemens Meda. It will give me the correct date.
Take your time. Oh, uyibekisa nga something. Ne awukhohlwa straight. Uyayiverify le ndaba le.
We have to. Facts.
Yeah. Yeah, ngicela nilike and subscribe. Yabona manje omunye uhleli kanje ku-edge sithi ngifuna ukuzwa kahle. And manje ngenze ukuthi le nto ayigugulayo i-boyfriend yakho le phela bayaba yi3 babe yi5 kwimboze e1 ba4 laba time kahle nayo ke yatholakala. Yeah.
Oh, so that was in my gambling mist, right? I had a friend of mine. A friend of mine got arrested. Go Bloemfontein, go Grootfontein for murder.
Yeah.
Right. And
Male, female?
male.
Okay.
Yeah. Got arrested. So I'm one of the first people he called. Like I'm a good person, you know. He just knew if he calls, please help me with, I would go. So I used to go see this person and on say like a comrade. Spanban, you know? My comrade for whatever. Comrade Spanbani. So he would call me, man, look, if anybody has to give him anything, it would be via me. Because he trusted me.
Yeah.
Babatla homo fa 20 via Kemo. So now I would buy go to him go to selling. How guy started now introducing me as the wife.
Hey, hey.
But
That was quick.
very quick. But I didn't like that because now in the midst of KCA High,
Yeah.
he stayed with a woman, and already there was this thing there was a hit on the wife.
Yeah.
So people Harry I got caught, they would like have eyes on me. No, I'm not. We're not dating. He's just a friend.
Yeah.
So I used to go to court. So the court accused die. Okay. I was not even talking to them, you know? So, okay, I would go and see him like twice a week. Actually, I would exhaust his weekly visits because I get a howl on trial. I think they get like 2 per week.
Yeah.
So the one day, ha ke lo mo bona, there's this gentleman behind him.
Oh. The story ngathi ngiyasazi. Sifana neso story something sazi. Yeah.
Wawan?
Eh.
So yare eyes clock le chomi ka morago. But Liena, I'm here, and then the girlfriend is behind me.
Yeah.
And now I was like, oh my gosh. Wow. I never thought. So in my mind, I just asked, so now we're talking about, oh, who's that guy? No, he looks familiar, you know? And then it's like, oh, no, you got accused there, guy. You know, you don't remember that day, a day before the matter happened, I was with them. It's like, you don't remember him? I'm like, no, I don't remember him. But why does he look cute now that he's here, you know?
Ish.
You know?
Yeah.
And now I can't say direct because I get a wife.
Your wife, yeah.
And now, okay. Oh, thank God they took, prison orders took his phone. Now he has to what? Use whose phone? My man's phone.
Self-proclaimed. Self-inflicted pain. Kahle we perpetrator akasi victim la.
So, by as I said, in the morning, they took his phone. And now, obviously, my numbers are written on the diary. Comrades Banban. Hey. So that one knew.
Wife, yeah.
And I still have conversations with our conversations. And then he was like, oh, no, sorry, Bona, I know. I'm not supposed to be doing this, but I can't. You know? And I'm like, say no more. Say less. Listen, dear future husband, say less.
Yes, sis.
I am all yours forever and evermore.
You. But how long did it take you to send the news?
No, I didn't send news. No, for real. I remember now I'm not comfortable with my body like that.
Yeah.
I've never sent any man news.
Yeah.
I've never ever. I swear to God, I've done things. I've done doggy. I've done.
Yeah.
I've done it all. I've done oral, but news
Just
I
this
don't
one.
send.
Yeah. Okay.
That's the
All
only
right.
thing I've not done in life.
So chapter 2.
Yeah. So anyway, we started talking, you know, and then now visits have been moved from to.
Yo. So the former husband had CBN or okay, Selikopani.
No, I even wrote him off because he lied. He wanted. It's a long story, man. He wanted to send someone. You know.
Yes.
So he was just bad, all you know. So I cut him off. I'm like, dude, I've been good to you. I didn't deserve what you're trying to do.
Yeah.
So this one, we're in a relationship. Yo, they knew me, hey, and they knew him. Ola una Jacobs, Ola. Utiswa Jacobs. Who does? Obana Lona, ba normal, ba random, basic guys. Little says 3 lunch boxes. Rona said 20 again.
Yes. Yeah.
Again. We're even planning to have a child.
Yo.
Money talks. Everything is possible.
Yeah. Ba mo go le o kena ko tronkong. Kukhona kuyovela abaningi la iCommissioner kaMkhwanazi wayivula. Say, "Dawu kamu wangena." So convinced ngaleyo ndlela you were fixated manje.
No, I loved him, man. I loved him.
Love was real.
Love was real. I loved him. There was just something about him, you know? Yeah. There was just something about him. And it was just how we got along.
Yeah.
And we used to say that, oh, you know, you are just a male version of me. You are just a female version of me.
Yeah.
I knew that if I was a guy, I'd be him.
Yes, that connection.
Remember, I know myself.
Yeah.
I know what
yeah,
I'm capable of.
Yeah.
I know myself deeper than what you guys know and what you guys see.
Yes.
So when we talk and I know this person, I know what he's capable of doing. I know
Yeah.
that I'm him.
Yeah.
And the female version, he's definitely we each other basically. So fell in love, loved him. And obviously he has someone, right?
Yeah.
And I knew that key number
2.
yeah. And I've never even for a day, and I kept
never
saying to him, this
contested
girl
that
has
thing.
been good to you.
Yeah.
Don't mess up, don't fuck her up.
Yeah.
But I knew I was okay with being number 2.
Yeah. Come on bashana. Eyoba inkulu le episode yogijima. Niyazi no operate kanjani eyogijima le episode ukuthi damn bayo ku DM bayokufuna kabusha.
Yo,
Carry-
keep taken. Tell them now I'm good. No. Heck, no, I'm good.
Yeah. All right, you were number 2.
So I was okay with that, you know. That's how much I loved this person. We dated, still doing our thing, you know, still taking care of him. Oh, I loved him. And now, and I knew that he was not guilty. You know, I knew he was not guilty, and I thank God that he's out. And you know what broke my heart? He never contacted me.
Oh, isi mau ban
And I thought, and that's the thing. You see, some people,
Yes,
kelelo tsa bona,
yes.
they short
Di
things,
kgutshwane,
di kgutshwane,
man.
you know.
Yeah.
Because if you have someone that connects with you like that, what about sisterhood, brotherhood?
Yes.
You
Yeah,
know,
maybe we convert.
friend. You know, I was okay with that
Yeah.
because I made peace. I left him.
Yeah.
I left the relationship, but on a good note still. Because I remember, I think last year I called him. I wanted him to help me with something, you know. And when he didn't pick his phone, and I said, "Hey, lepantit kinna," because he knows how we talk, you know, because he just doesn't pick any.
Yeah.
So
and of
I
course,
thought the connection that we had,
Hey,
it
son.
was above. It was just above relationship.
it's so funny how all of these stories they become a sad ending story. Very few. Out of 10, maybe it's 1.
Yeah.
Where about is pillar a victorious life. We are happily ever after
Yeah.
prison. Mara, we will get to
Yeah.
that.
I just wanted friendship.
Yeah.
I wanted because now
you got along.
we got along so well, and I took care of you, bro.
You.
I did so much for you. Things that I cannot say here.
Yeah.
You know? Listen,
Yes. When did I not depend about best story and like grand?
literally,
You.
I
That's love.
I did so much for and Lagato la rona, I loved him as a brother. It was more of you know that if relationship is not working out, fuck relationship, I'm good. You
but
my
I'm
G,
here,
bro.
man. Yeah,
you know,
yeah,
you my
yeah.
G, like I've got
Yeah,
your
you need
back.
force, ne? Yeah.
Bona. So he was not found guilty, I think, this year. I was expecting I'd be the first person. Because I remember we used to talk about hearts, and I'd say, no, go home, do what you have to do. Go home, but marry that girl.
Serious.
And I said, I swear to
you
God,
encouraging him.
I swear, marry that girl.
That's lovely of you.
Because this girl is a beautiful girl, a young, beautiful girl.
Yeah. Did you
doesn't
finally
have a-
find out?
Huh?
Did you find?
Yeah, she
did. She
did.
finally found
Yeah,
out
she
about
did.
You? Yeah.
The relation, there was no way she was not going to find out.
Yeah.
And I said, do what you have to. Marry that girl.
You.
She's everything because I was like, the girl is young and beautiful. And I mean, for her to wait for you, yellow bone,
And you
that
were
kind of a girl,
realistic,
you know?
yeah,
And I was like, now always be, don't worry about me.
Yeah.
Nah, you and
Why
I.
it's banana? I tell you, there's someone in that relationship now is saying, yes, there's mpeng parachute. Jump icon. You know, I'm out in Tangayfun, Tetiswa. I'm out of Anabantwan. So once umthethisa nani ngathi uyamxosha and once ufuna ucomplicate izinto umuntu ungene as situation ukuthi so mara masekumele understand akayifuni very few women abangakhuluma the same language abaningi bayolwa nawe kuthiwa stupid never I don't do this and that but ukusettle for this and say no anginankinga I'm not wishing you away but I'm wishing you good luck you can go there I'm here I'm not going to leave you because unento yakhe hambayo so tell me about your life of romance then because in prison there are a lot of things I mean siyashaya isikhathi ntakusebusuku it was nice I mean you said chemistry ayisuki nje so the iPhone sex I'm sure it was heated up
I don't, hey. I swear to God, I'm not lying. I kid it even nadi I don't know, man. I can't body dildo. I don't. I'm not good with those things. I want the real thing, bro. You'd rather like lay me down in the garage or go tlapong, go toilet, do something. I can't do all
Do
these
something,
things.
my
Hey,
guy.
study moving and
Yeah.
I want it deep inside.
Yeah, you crazy like that.
So
You-
we yeah. I'm a good person, man. You know, but hey, the relationships didn't the flames. You know, I'm a good person to an extent. I've never seen any woman, ne, enkareng they go hard like I go in relationships. I'm a whole G in a relationship.
Go deeper.
When you down, you down and out, I'm there.
I'm here. Yeah.
Listen, I'm
Upata
there.
manyala, yeah.
I'll show up for you.
Yeah.
But nah.
Yo. So maybe lelo kambi lelo. I want us to do an extension through this mic and these cameras. How do we extend that hand of peace? And how do we empower people? Because you are saying mina mfana I'll stand in a gap and ngizofihla man amanyala wako.
Yeah.
How manage kanjani? Because a lot of people le relationships about money now. If out ispana ku right, but out ngapaziseka imedi qala ukuspana very few women.
Yeah.
Abangathi I no lo mfethu ngimthande njalo.
Yeah, no, women sometimes they can sometimes be ebedi nokhanyana, you know. No amount of pain has ever made me turn my back against anyone or talk against anyone. No amount of heartbreak has ever made kina little scandal tsabatu. Deep stuff, you know. But Libona, even when they see me on podcasts, I don't think anyone has ever been like, you know, she's no.
Listen, now
No.
you are trapped in a woman's body, but you are wired the man's brain.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm someone that you can trust for life. I don't kiss and tell. Well, but even with the relationship, I'll just keep it and I'll just say I still respect him wherever he is. I wish him well. I'm not gonna start saying things. Oh, he even, you know, I know, I have this. No.
What an episode. So, but did you finally maybe take that leap of faith and enter the prison? Otherwise, ke manje ukuthi hayi wafeta kusizi network thing and haiji lo tseding marijana so ke batla o kena. It's a yes, bazalwane. It's a yes. She entered and did the dunu. The panic inside Gatobakhan.
Next question. Ke kopa juice.
Outside, abone, dingat. Ke engmo. Phakathi inside mo ke one stop shop kuna alles. Nazi nengilosi zikhona la, yonke into ikhona. Yeah. Night class. Yeah. Mr. Chivatu let us self la iboss yethu la emuva la ngelilanga belu 10 camera uyibhekise kuwe lita. Yeah, le ndoda le ihamba kanje eyithendeni zika Kanye West, Mr. Chivas. He's married. Happily married. Ngizokhipha isithombe sakho la. Nangu Pastor Gift. Lo Pastor Gift lo.
Okay.
Episode yakho iya drop Pastor Gift. And wena ulwe nabafundisi bayakufuna ephakameni ngalo bathi lo mfana uyasijayela mncane kangaka. It's very dangerous. Bekala applying to gift. Yes, Kemo.
Thank you.
There we go. Courtesy. Yeah, like I. Siya like us, siya subscribe kusele only 2 minutes. Sivale manje no sis Kemo because uyagijima boldly wami. Kunento abayithungayo la ngifuna ukuthi ukhulume ngayo la. Mina ngithanda abantu ukuthi kumele sikhagane ngalento man. Sikhulisane ngathi singahlala sibe podcast e1 sibe baningi ama South Africans afika ngene lapha bakwazi ukuphila through la channels esiwenzayo. So asikhulume ngale vibe yala segcineni. Ngiyabona le uyibalekela uyidojile ibullet. Mara mina ngithe it's a yes for you guys. Nizoyicedelela ke ku Google ukuthi yenziwa kanjani sex phakathi eprison umuntu angaphandle ukungena kanjalo. Mhlambe Google kwaba sethwabe besta iverse nandipha makudumana. So let's
I would have been.
yeah.
Yeah.
Ne?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's just the truth.
Yeah.
Because there are certain things that we do for relationships. So if I was in her shoes,
Yeah.
King I wouldn't have done the things that she did for love. Because I've done so much for love.
Mara asikhulume ngeset ending story. Rikwalaka this note. You spoke about this relationship. It was not a happy ending.
Yeah.
Angazi bayikhuluma abanye bakuma massage bathi nento bathi happy ending. The set ending story. Give me the 2, 3, 5 days leading to his integration. Then you realize ukuthi mona mo nkare ke tshwere palo.
No, even we stopped talking before I closed because there's a friend of his that contacted me to say, hey, I don't like the way D Money is now moving. And I know the things that how you've been good to him. Now or psycho. And I'm like, psycho.
Oh,
I didn't understand what was happening there, but I'm like, you know what? It is well, it's good. Let me
it
leave.
is what it is.
And I peacefully left him. And that is because I don't bend bridges now. I wanted to be able to give him a hug when I see him and be civil and cordial and say, hey, my G, Unfortunately, I didn't get. So after prison, we never met. We've never spoken. But he's out and I believe he's doing well.
So it was a prison love and a prison story.
Yeah.
Mara, there was no aftercare.
No, there was no aftercare. Met the family.
And isiboshwa sinali trouble simasepa ebrachivatsi because isiboshwa sikwazi ukuhlanganisa nabantu uzoshada nebillboard sinokumisa isithombe la ushade naso umela icele wena you know the stories khohlwa isiboshwa usungathola ngesiboshwa sangempela mara senze life ithi spice up man kuyafuneka abantu ba because abantu they are desperate abantu kuyale hayi bona ke ngazi umuntu bena 3 abantu bashadile bamaneze kwahlanganiswa itenda abafundisi nani babuzana baze bayijwayela lento lo mjuthu ubekene nje isithombe la ufika ume la ushute naye nani maqedile afaka kuma status wakhe uankhana 4 yama relationships that time bonke labantu abashada lo next week lo next month lo nani so if there's one thing mhlambe that you want to say Kemo maybe even to the guy because you are wishing them good luck the best of luck don't you feel some little bit nyana dosage nyana yazi umuntu makuthiwa ubreak a promise
Yeah.
and lo akusi cheating by the
Yeah.
way but a disappointment
Yeah.
ukuthi leyo ungisebenza ngakhona ungisebenzanga kahle
Definitely. Definitely. I even asked one of his friends, because I'm still in contact with
the friends
with one of the friends, but for our own things.
Yeah.
I asked him, and he's like, "Yo, nah, I'm shocked. I didn't think that it was gonna end like that." And I was like, "It's okay. Don't even ask him about. Like, I'm good." But no, I don't know if I should say he hurt me.
Yeah.
But he disappointed me. Let's say, yeah, disappointed.
fair
I didn't
enough.
expect that from
you expected a lot ne? Or better
not just even a relationship, brotherhood, friendship,
Yeah.
to say, yo, that girl has been there for me.
yeah
The things that I did for that guy.
chief be a tabo pester chief chief you must come back and fix your
Even
things
at our best, that if I did things for him, it would have been better because Louis Vuitton head to toe.
hey Raymond Jwale ungile mthako hey it's good that you don't kiss and tell
Yeah.
but now Harmony was not here when I was asking you about the 20s the trends and all of that yeah what's going on with that situation Vel
It was me crashing out. Like I said,
earlier on
when I was supposed to move out of my apartment, if I did not take a rope that day and hang myself, I would never hang myself again.
yes
There's nothing as painful as you sitting down to reflect and introspect and be like, but I've been pushing. I thought I'm somewhere. What happened? Where did I get it wrong?
yeah
And leaving that apartment was the most painful thing ever. It just kind of triggered when I got evicted from my house.
yes
And my daughter was crying, saying to those people, "We don't want to be homeless, please. My mom is a good person." So it hit me hard. And 20 failed applications. I couldn't get an apartment because you have a fraud listing.
yeah yonke lento
Going back to dating the inmates, I have a fraud listing in my name. So me starting the 20 series is me saying, I do not want you to be the next Miss Kamo. I wasted my 20s and I'm taking accountability. I'm not going to blame anyone because I believe that when you are 20, you are somehow aware of what you're setting, So I allowed things to happen to me. I put myself in those situations. So what started 20s Diaries was basically me leaving that apartment, and I had to be in a room, in a one room, Let me show you. I had to be in a room because 20 rejected applications. Kitlo ya guy. Where would I go?
In fact, kuba ushare the yes, yes. Oh, package yonkinto. Nayo ke Send Studios. Mruti gift iyabahlala taba because kuyona proof evidence. Yeah, heavy.
Yeah, and then I had to go back to myself and say, we need to reset.
You can do this.
Yeah. And I said, I'm not going to do this. I've been worse.
Yeah.
So, Kemo,
Yeah.
it's okay.
Yeah.
Reset, but it's painful because it's hard. I'm 37.
Hey.
And I said, the other thing was be stingy with your womb. I feel like I've given it out a little extra.
Yeah.
I was supposed to have been cautious in my 20s.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey. Yes. 17 years later, when I was 37, I turned 37 while I was in prison.
Yeah.
This seven situation, a young disturb,
Yeah.
young wind up blind. All right, let's talk about the social sahaho, and then where do we find this info? Because very informative, and a lot of people have been sending me, Emon, please, man, bring her back because there's something, the storm is brewing, and I see you're doing big things, including the work that you're doing. That's how we wrap it up.
Okay. So TikTok, it's where I'm doing daily motivation for girls to say, get up, you've got this. And the other thing that I hate is them feeling like they're left behind. Them feeling like they're not doing enough. Where are you rushing to? U21? What are you supposed to have? You're just a young girl, And so I started the series on my YouTube channel, trying to turn it into a podcast for my 20s diaries. I shared the first episode on Monday, where I shared with them everything and I unpacked everything that happened between the age of 20 and 29. So they understand. I didn't talk about my childhood because I did not want it to be like I'm trying now to put a blame to say, oh, I got violated 4 times now. This is the reason why I became the person that I became. I didn't want that. So it was just me owning up. So we also have Dear Big Sister with Owami.
Yeah.
Owami Entertainment. We drop in 2 episodes every week. That is just where we talk about life and where we share and read out their stories.
Yeah. Nice one. Owami, Big Sister. Libo Palisa, Libo Madam Speaker. Ikhulile lento le. No, thank you very much, Kemo. And all the best and more for the future. And thank you for opening up. But Doge, the 2 questions. Abantu bathanda into sex ngaphakathi. Abantu bamlaba ngiyabazi. But mfundisi, please, ungasideprive lento. Please. Ngoba mase singena ayikholwanga lento inkonzo sikholwe la ukuyale. Ayifikeni kuyaphansi. Keep on stay plus mara ukamo awungipha ama pages. Kahle bazokuthola kuphi nendawo. Asiwabiza straight and then if ever a number, how we get in contact and in touch with you.
I'm not going to give leave the numbers because the inmates did don't show.
Yeah.
And if I want to go get killed.
Babahlale rao.
And I'm gonna go get a BBL for my new man.
Yeah. Oh, nice one.
So they can get me on Miss. It's MISS __ Kaymo KAYMO on social Instagram, TikTok. Marasi for the inmates again.
Yeah.
K4. Yes.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
So ivalile inmates, please. But you are bad. Ningamamela nje kuphela. But in this pen yakho right. Like your pen but not on my window. Keep on stay place. Salute.